we're on deck 6. There's a map of what's where. We're right here, which means the casino is right around the corner. And there it is. Came in here last night, it was very smoky. I guess it's open. So here we have several bars right next to each other. And if you walk a little ways, you're in the next one. So this is Magnum's Champagne and Wine Bar. There's a stairway up to Chin Chin's. That's Chin Chin's up there. Sushi bar. Right here is the French restaurant, Le Bistrot. All Norwegian ships, as far as I know, have one of these. A humidor. And in here, it smells like a humidor. And they got these nice leather chairs. I guess you can buy cigars from them. I don't know. But you can come in here and smoke. And smoke. And smoke. So right next to Magnum's, and I mean around the corner from it, see, Magnum's, and then Shaker's Martini and Cocktail Bar with a little bond. Right next to Shaker's is this bar, Maltings Whiskey Bar. Oh, beer and whiskey bar. And they've got their own still here. And the Azura dining room is down here. That's the other main free dining room. Okay? And you go in right there. So that's deck 6. Half a deck or so to the Tsar's Palace. That's one of the free. Not open yet. Not open for breakfast on sea days. Back up. In here are the shops. And it's like they're all together in one big shop. There's not separate shops. And they're of course closed because they don't open till about 10 a.m. This is the photo gallery, I guess they call it. You know, you could swipe your card on the machines here. Now we're moving out to the main atrium. We started in the back of the ship or aft. These are the people that help you with your problems.
Good morning.
They say good morning, I say it back. Good morning.
Good morning.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Oh, this is the art gallery. Probably not supposed to videotape in here, but they're going to have an unveiling later. I can hardly wait. Here's a picture of the people at the christening of the ship. Do you recognize any of them? Maybe the First Lady of the United States. I call her FLOTUS. That's right. That's interesting, huh? Shore excursion desk. They're not open yet. Tomorrow we're going to be in Puerto Vallarta. Cruise next. They got several deals about, you know, if you pay a little money now, you get some deposits for the next cruise. Coffee bar, not included in the drink package. So we're moving forward on the ship. Now we're at another sort of atrium area. But remember, Chin Chin's included. So if you want to eat at Chin Chin, just go on in. If you know what I mean. Now this is the Fizz bar. And it's okay. They do a lot of the trivia and stuff in here though during the day. Private karaoke rooms, red, blue, green. I've not seen anybody go in or come out, and they're always locked. But that's what they are. Stardust Theater. So I'm going to give you a good look at what it looks like. First of all, there's a long hallway, and then there it is. And it's a pretty nice theater. As you can see, it goes way back up there. Let's take a trip around the deck. They call this the alternate jogging track, but somewhere here it says don't run or walk only. That brings us back where we started, doesn't it? So, deck 8 really is all passenger cabins except Ocean's Bar, which is this place. And see, there's the main atrium lobby with the service desk and the shore excursion desk and the coffee bar, not included. And then this is Ocean's, and Ocean's is included, right? So you can eat in here for free, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Got some nice picture windows, looking at the ocean. So, like I said, the rest of deck 8 is cabins. Cabins, cabins, cabins. So we're gonna, and then deck 9, all staterooms. Deck 10, all staterooms. Deck 11, all staterooms in the bridge viewing room, which I'll show you. Heading down the hallway on deck 11 to the bridge viewing room. And there's the bridge. Those guys are steering the boat. So, we're getting out of deck 12. And I think there's a guy playing guitar here. And there he is. So this is the buffet. The main one. Over on this end is the kids area, right? Splash Academy. Got the video arcade here. It turns out I have $100 credit in here for some reason. I'm not really sure whether I'm going to ride motorcycles or what. That was noisy. Entourage Teen Club down there. I'm not going to go down, but if you have teens or other children, I hear they do a really good job. I think they mean this morning. Anyway, well, let's take a spin through the buffet. This is the Garden Cafe. So, coffee, juice, water, lots of food. And I mean a lot of food. This is a drink bar. Most of it's included in my drink package. There's the rear elevators, aft elevators. You know, the dining rooms are down below us. Quite a few decks though. Going to go out the back here. I'm told that in the morning, more buffet station. I'm told that in the morning this is the one that opens first. This opens like a half an hour or an hour before anyone else. It's the great outdoors. Although maybe it's not true here. La Cucina. So this is the Italian restaurant, and normally you'd enter from a different way. But you can cut through in the morning. You can actually eat in here, you know, from the buffet at breakfast and lunch. At dinner, of course, it's a restaurant. So, normally, I would enter this way, La Cucina. And I'm going to cut back through the buffet and pick you up on the other side. So I'm back amidships elevators. Remember, there's the arcade and the Splash Academy. The teen center is around the corner. Here's the entrance to the Garden Cafe buffet. Now I'm going to walk out this door. Remember, I couldn't get through that way. Everything is on the starboard or right side of the ship, all the walkways. And now I'm going to walk out to the pool area. And of course, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning on a sea day, so it's not going to be crowded, but more buffet out here. I think this has a name like the Grill. They got these spas, ping pong. There's the kids pool area, which is attached to the kids area, right inside there. This is their water slide. We've got like 4 hot tub spas, whatever you want to call them. Then there's a couple more decks up there. Again, this is the Sapphire pool area. There's a pool there and a pool here. I believe right here is the studio, photo studio. If you want. This is the game room, I think. Card room. This is the library. They keep things locked up. But they do have Sudoku in there every morning. This is the spa area. And over here is the fitness center, and you can go in there for free. Some of these things cost money and some don't. Oh, it's busy here today. Anyway, so that's the fitness area. We're up on deck Lucky 13. There's bathrooms everywhere. Somebody just went in that one. Over here, I push the button, like handicapped, and I can walk outside here. And so this is the deck above the pool. We'll come out here in a minute. I want to show you the Spinnaker Lounge. Oh, all the curtains are drawn. There's the chapel. It says push. Not very big, but it never is on a ship, right? Spinnaker Lounge is big, and it's got chairs like this. Haven't been up here at night, but I like the view. We're at the very top front of the ship, right? However, there are sun decks above us. In fact, my favorite sun deck is straight above us here. So we just walked out of Spinnaker Lounge. We're on deck 13. Now we're going to go up to the sun deck. But I found, oh, people have already staked out their areas. Look at this giant shower. I'm going to go around forward here. Quiet zone. And I guess that says no kids. Maybe. You can come up here and do your exercises in privacy, unless I'm recording. But, so, this is a pretty good place to be, right? The bridge is, well, the Spinnaker is below us, and then the bridge below that. Bridge is down on 11, remember, where the bridge viewing room is. There's the pool area. Slide, 2 pools. Anyway, jogging track is back there. That looks like the Haven up above there, the very top there where the people are walking in their fancy robes. Those are the very expensive cabins. All right, let's go down and go to the back. So I just came down the stairs, and this is a bar, and I'm not sure of the name, but look, they put out some food for me. So I got some coffee here. That was the smoking area. It smelled like smoke. Now we're going to walk down here. Topsiders Bar. So this is the jogging track. Most people walk. I walk. 5.5 laps is 1 mile. Okay. This is the Haven up above, so these are people's private balconies. On this side is giant Checkers, and on the opposite side is giant chess. So here's golf. I believe it costs additional, but you could come here and practice your swing. Maybe it doesn't cost additional, I don't know. It's very windy back here now. Down here is the basketball slash soccer slash tennis court. I guess I would put the word pitch in there somewhere. Here's another stairway up. We'll go up in just a second. So I've only seen people playing tennis in here so far, but usually it's just a bunch of people hitting balls around. Here's the outdoor area I went through earlier. On the starboard side, the right side, ship's headed that way. It's kind of early, so I'm in the shadow of the stack. It says NCL. Gonna go up these stairs. There's more stairs down there. I can go up there with some on the other side. This is the one deck, or one of the few decks where you can go all the way around. But remember, it's outside. Can't do it on the inside. There's the stadium seating. Now this is just a weird deck of, you know, a mishmash, like they didn't know what to do with it. So you got a few lounge chairs, but they didn't fill it for some reason. And that is the NCL Jewel, yeah. I might add some more later, but we pretty much covered it all. Anyway, Port Monkey's out.